Hello, and welcome to Enquire AI, the digital expert network. Thank you for joining the platform that is changing the way we think about professional insights and decision-making. Over the next few minutes, we will walk through some of the platform's key features, as well as some tips and tricks for putting it to use for you. We will also be sending periodic emails on how to best leverage the platform's strengths, as well as a weekly spotlight on the best network pulses global POV. You can always check the resources tab for helpful guides, and you can reach out to our helpful customer success team with any specific questions. Thanks again for joining us, and let's get started. When you first log into Enquire, you will see the dashboard view. Our AI co-pilot, Ida, is at the top of the page, ready to produce one-page insights briefs on a topic of interest. We recommend that you write your prompt in plain language and let the AI draw from its unique dataset populated by past expert engagements. If your prompt delivers what you're looking for, you're ready to go. If you want to rephrase your prompt, go ahead and do so at the top, then submit again. If you want a deeper level of insights or current updates on an evolving situation, check out the experts listed at the bottom of Ida's answer. These are vetted experts on that topic and could be consulted for follow-up. The real heartbeat of Enquire AI's platform is our Network Pulse Q&A technology. This offers the ability to ask complex or multifaceted questions and receive feedback from up to 10 sources within hours, with many answering in just a few minutes. All questions are anonymously asked, so they can't see who you are, but you will have full transparency on who is responding. Getting started with a Network Pulse is simple. Simply input a title, and then ask your question in detail. When you're done, you'll be prompted to enhance the question with AI, which you can do if you choose. The system will automatically generate some relevant keywords, which will help with matchmaking to the right experts in our network. From there, you can drill down by geo expertise, subject matter expertise, if you wish to specify which country and location your experts come from, and then scheduling options in case you want to ask the question in the future or on a recurring basis. You can also assign it to a project so it never gets lost in your company's workflow. When you're done, simply click Review and you're off to the races. When your Network Pulse is complete, a report will automatically be generated with the accepted answers showing. Enquire will screen responses for the quality of the insights, as well as quality assurance that the piece was not plagiarized or generated from AI tools. You can view the answers at any time in your dashboard, or you can download a PDF like this of the questions, answers, and experts. One way to go deeper is to schedule a call with our experts, which can be conducted right here on the platform. This can either be a one-time engagement or an ongoing consultancy. Want to see who is on the platform? You can browse our expert network of more than 60,000 business leaders, consultants, and advisors, which spans the globe and most professional industries. You can filter by geographic expertise, subject matter expertise, location, the expert's first name, and their employment, both the company name and their job title. Any of the profiles can be clicked into so that you can have a better idea of who is on the network. See someone you like? Be sure to add them to your expert benches, which can be built out both for you and your team. These benches are also anonymous, so you can use them however works best for you and your use of the platform. Want to see how your team is using Enquire AI? Check out the Team Activity tab on the left, which details active and past network pulses and calls. Want to add or subtract members of your team? You can do so under the Manage Team tab. We hope you enjoyed this quick tour of the Enquire AI platform and are feeling empowered to use it to the fullest. If there's anything else we can do to ensure your success, please email your support contact, and we'll help you find the best solution to your needs. Thanks again for getting started on Enquire AI, the digital expert network.